Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a fucking minute since I've done a video. It's just like so fucking hard to find the time. Working Monday through Friday, trying to be social on weekends. You know how it goes. Just in a wedding. And then I went to Pride last weekend. So I thought, in honor of Pride, I should do a Pride makeup tutorial. And obviously, I didn't do it last weekend because it was like too fucking crazy. And now technically it is July, so it's no longer Pride Month. But you know what? We celebrate Pride all year round. Am I right? So I decided to do one today now that I got a little bit of time. So this is the look I'm doing. It's a little bit different than the look I actually did to Pride because the look that I did for Pride was inspired by a lot of other pictures that I saw on Instagram, and I just didn't want to feel like I was copying anyone outright. So I tried to come up with something a little bit more original, which I'm sure this has already been done also, but just wanted to go with this. So hope you guys like this look. Also, this amazing flower crown I got while I was at Pride in San Francisco last weekend. Sorry, I can't tell you the vendor I bought it from. I just saw it and I was like, I need it. And it's so gorgeous. I love it. So, yeah, you guys can stick around, watch my video if you want on this look, and hope you enjoy. Okay, so if anyone's wondering what I'm watching in my headphones today, it is Just Friends, which just went up on Netflix. At least I think it just went up. I don't know how long it's been up, but it is one of my all-time favorite movies. Fucking hilarious. If you haven't watched it, you need to watch it. Ryan Reynolds. That's all I'm going to say. Anyway, so I finally just got my first matte paint pot. I know I sound like such a fucking amateur because this is like, you know, it's like step one, any makeup tune, gotta prime. But like, I never used an eyeshadow base. Like, I use primer. I use the Urban Decay primer, but I don't use a base because I didn't know what to do with the shadows. I thought I might fuck it up, but no, it's great. So I got Painterly because I'm more pink toned. It's like the lightest one of the pink tone. So I'm just gonna start by putting that all over the lids. Also, you may have noticed I now have the purple Jeffree Star mirror instead of the pink one, because purple is my favorite color, especially this like lilac purple. So beautiful. I just had to have it. So I just bought this lilac one and then gave my pink one to my friend Ryan, so it did not go to waste. So yeah, if you're an amateur like me, you just want to like stamp this base all over the lids. Oh god, I got an eyelash stuck in there. Fuck. Fuck. Okay, so with this base, as with I think every eyeshadow base, you want to make sure to set it right away. So you can just use any kind of neutral colored eyeshadow, or you can even use setting powder. I'm just going to use like a white eyeshadow to set it. You just kind of want to like press it in and then kind of blend it like this. Okay, let's get into this. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. So yeah, I'm going to start with, so I'm going to do the red, orange, yellow on this side. Wait, no. Red, orange, yellow on this side. Green, blue, purple on this side. So I'm going to start over here. And actually, I'm not going to do red. I'm going to do pink because pink is cuter. So let's start there. So for this whole look, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette. So I'm first going to go in with the super bright pink shader right here. Okay, I gotta say two things right now. First of all, the colors in the Morphe palettes blend better than any other palette I've ever used. Just gotta say that. And especially for the price, this palette was like $25 for 35 shades. Like, are you fucking kidding me? It's amazing. Second of all, this eyeshadow base like makes a world of difference, and I don't know why it took me how many fucking years to figure out to use one, because I'm stupid apparently. So yeah, because look at that. That's just from like a few swipes. Like, damn. Okay, then for the next shade, I'm gonna go in with the brightest orange down here. What's really funny about this movie, Just Friends, if anyone forgot what I'm watching, that in one of the opening scenes, Ryan Reynolds is talking about the friend zone, and his friend is like, "What's the friend zone?" Like, he doesn't know what that is. Like, who the fuck doesn't know what a friend zone is? Like, it's a very common term. Did that not exist before 2004? I don't know. That's very strange. Also, I really like the Sigma brush. This is the Sigma E25 blending brush because of the way it's shaped. It's really good to get shades in like in a pretty narrow line when I want to do something like this, which I really do. But I do want to do it, it's great. All right, and it blends in together really well. And lastly on this lid, I'm going to go in with the pretty much the only yellow shade in here besides the shimmery one, the matte yellow shade down here. Okay, so I'm going to start on the other eye now. So first I'm going to go in with a green. I'm going to do the greenest of the greens right here. And continuing with the rainbow, I'm now going to go in with this vibrant, oh god, vibrant blue shade over here, the matte one. So for the last shade on the side, I'm gonna go with the purple eye. You know, I think I'll probably do the lighter one just because the other shades aren't that intense, but we'll see. Let's start with that. Okay, yeah, the lighter one is working out well. It's still enough color. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease on both sides, and because that is kind of time consuming and I don't have very much space on my phone, which I'm filming this on, I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, this is embarrassing, but I legit forgot to turn on the light on my lighting system this whole time. So that's why I look much more well lit now. So now you can see what the eye look really looks like with just the shadows. So next step, I'm going to put glitter all over the lid because of course, because I love glitter and also because it's bride fashion. So also at the Morphe store, I got one of these loose pigments. This is Marshmallow. What brand is this? Eye Candy. I have like a set of 6, no, 8 glitters from them already that I ordered online. So this is like a white glitter, but you can't really tell, but when you look at it kind of close up, it's like multicolored. So of course I'm going to put that on using my glitter glue. Okay, I'm dying for this glitter right now. So next up, of course, is the wing. You know, I can't do a look without a wing. And same with the cut crease. It's going to take a while. Too hard to do on camera. So I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back again. Okay, let me just tell you what happened here. My usual eyeliner, my Kat Von D is like running out. At least I think it is. So I use this Clinique liner, which is like seemed like the same thing, but I'm also not used to it. And I just totally fucked this up so bad. Also, I'm a little drunk, but like, oh my god, it's just like, you know, when you're like trying to fix your wing and it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it's just like, what's happening? That's what happened here. And also, you know, I was trying to follow the line of the glitter, so that kind of fucked it up too. So it's a mess, but like, no fucking way in hell I'm starting over now. So here we are. So let's just move on to the face. So, let's start with my Origins primer, which I'm almost out of. Let me see if I can get enough out. And I ordered more, but it has to come fucking ground shipping from Sephora because it's a canister. God damn it. Because the Sephora store here is sold out, even though online it said it was in stock. Fucking liars. Okay, now time for foundation. I'm gonna use my usual Bobbi Brown with my Sonic foundation brush. Just squirted that all over my shirt. Oh my god. Right now, just gonna add some concealer. Okay, now I gotta set this face before anything creases. So I'm gonna use my Peach Perfect Setting Powder. By the way, if you have oily skin, this is a must-have. This is like the only thing I found that will keep my face matte all day. It's amazing. And also it smells delicious, which I'm sure I've mentioned in my videos before. Okay, while my face is baking, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera again. because that's another boring routine that nobody needs to see. I'm gonna use my Brow Wiz per usual, and I'll be right back. Okay, my eyebrows are done, and I just wiped off my setting powder, so now I'm going to do the lower lash line. And mostly just because I'm getting lazy, I'm just going to do kind of simple for that. I'm just going to start with kind of my iridescent pink eyeliner. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with this shimmery pink shade in the 35B palette. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more glitter into the inner corners with Glam Rock, Urban Decay. And now I'm going to add my usual bronzer and blush. Pro tip, when you're drunk or planning to be drunk when you're doing your makeup, don't put on too much blush because you will get that natural drunk glow. Alright, next up is to add some mascara, and then we'll come back for some more fun stuff. Oh my god, this is the best part of the movie. When Chris gets home, he fucking throws the suitcase out over the ledge of his house. And then walks in and sees Samantha's guitar sitting there, and it zooms in on his face with this eerie music like a fucking horror movie. Fucking dead! Oh my god. So funny. Hold on. Can we zoom? Rewatch this for a minute? Okay, you can't hear the sound, but just look. Amazing. Okay, I'm going to do my inner corner highlight with the Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. Okay, now a couple things I want to go back and add. So right before Pride, I went to Nordstrom, went to the MAC counter, and oh my god, look at these little hearts I found that look like confetti glitter hearts. Amazing. I like slapped up some of these on my face for Pride. They're so cute. So I'm just gonna add a couple of these somewhere. I'm thinking like maybe on my lid, maybe under the lid. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, these turned out upside down because they're really hard to control, but whatever. Still cute. Okay, last little thing I want to add is this Equality stamp I bought from Milk Makeup. They had a special Pride pack going on where they had this and the iridescent lip gloss. So I'm going to put this just on my cheeks, try to make it match up as well as I can. So yeah, just got to do it real quick. The bad thing is like if you push it in too much, you can get like, because you know it has like a circle around the rim, you can get part of that on your face. So that kind of sucks, but it's not too noticeable. See if I can make it match on the other side. Okay, I did get that on the other side, but I didn't push it in enough quite. So it's a little, you can see that, it's a little like piecey. I'm just going to try to fill it in with eyeliner a little bit. All right, cool. So just got to set this face real quick and then finish up with some highlight and lipstick. And for my highlight, I will be using the same Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. I realize now that I should have put this on before the stamps, but oh well. For my lips, I'm going to start with the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick color in shade I'm Royalty, this bright purple. Ah! Full disclosure, I just dropped it on my carpet and it did spill. Alright, luckily I remembered that we have OxyClean, so carpet is currently soaking. Hopefully it will come out, otherwise I'm fucked. Alright, good news guys! The lipstick seems to be coming onto my carpet. Ooh, ooh. Anyway, so to finish this off, I'm going to top off the lips with this lip gloss that came with the Milk Makeup Pride pack. So this is the glitter lip top coat. I think it's the only glitter one they have. Like an iridescent lip gloss. So I'm just going to throw that on over the lipstick. Alright guys, here is my final look. Thanks again for watching my shit show of a makeup tutorial. See you again next time, I hope, if I ever do another one.